With this patented universal gouge jig, you can sharpen fingernail-shaped turning gouges, plus a wide range of carving gouges, and V-tools, straight or curved. You can choose the degree of fingernail shape by using the settings on the jig. At 0, you grind an almost straight across profile. At 2, you get this shape, and at 5, you get even longer side edges. By mounting the tool and setting the jig to the same specifications previously, you can exactly replicate the shape of the tool. Colour the bevel with a marker to check where the grinding will take place. The same edge angle is achieved by adjusting the universal support. Now you can quickly sharpen to exactly the same shape as before, and you remove only a fraction of the steel. The jig also controls the honing. You hone the inside freehand on the profiled leather honing wheel. A really sharp tool should not tear out the end grain, even on a square piece of softwood. This surface needs no sanding. You can easily grind off the heel of the bevel. Just unscrew the back knob and allow the tool holder to move forwards. When grinding a gouge to a new shape for the first time, you need to press harder to remove the surplus steel. Grind one wing at a time. Finish with a full swing over the entire bevel. From a straight across bevel, you can create this fingernail shape in about 7 minutes. This jig also gives you the perfect profile on spoon-shaped or curved carving gouges. The jig is set so that the plane of the edge is straight across the grindstone. It will now compensate for the curve of the shank. Marking the bevel will help you to check where the grinding will take place. The jig also gives you full control of the honing. The result is a perfectly honed and polished edge. A sharp tool should leave a clean cut without scratch marks. This jig also works well with carving V-tools. The jig is set so that the edges are straight across the grindstone. Keep the tool in the jig for the honing. You hone the inside on the profiled leather honing wheel. With a sharp tool, you can even lay grooves next to each other. Back-bent and down-bent gouges are also easily sharpened in this jig.